Hi there, this is Cecil Robles with Advent Forex, and I'd like to show you today how I trade in anywhere from between 5 to 10 minutes a night in the Forex markets. First of all, we're looking today at the pound yen chart, and I'd like to show you how we know that, first of all. The reason why we know that is, number one, we've got the pound yen right up here, and this is the daily chart. So if we want to trade in less than 5 minutes a night or 10 minutes a night, depending upon how many currency pairs that we're trading, we really need to be trading an end-of-day strategy, and that is on the daily charts. Now, you can go as far as the weekly charts, and that means you trade in maybe 5 to 10 minutes a week, and this is totally up to you, and it's totally dependent upon how you want to live your life in terms of lifestyle and time management. But this is a very easy way to do this. Now, these particular strategies over the last couple of years on an end-of-day chart have profited us over 7% per month compounded, which comes around to about 84% per year compounded, somewhere around there. And basically, the way that we do this is we just look at the charts one time a day. And we look at the charts when the charts roll over from one bar to the next. We're looking for patterns in the market, essentially, and these are called candlesticks. These candlesticks essentially represent one full 24-hour period of time. So this right here represents one full 24-hour period of time. So this is exactly what price did over one full 24-hour period of time. You can see by looking back at this one, we had a high here and a low here, and then obviously this is what took place in between. This is the open, this is the close, and so we can see exactly what took place in between this 24-hour period of time. Now, essentially, all we have to do, our charts roll over at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we're using MetaTrader 4, so this is a free software that you can get in case you're not trading already or you're not familiar with this. But essentially, let's look at this particular chart. This is the pound yen daily chart, and we have a sell signal only on this chart. And the reason why we have a sell signal only on this chart is because of this line right here. This is called our Peru line, and when this line is blue, then that signifies that we can only take sell signals. You notice here it was gold, and that means that we can't take any trades whatsoever. It's blue right here, and that means that we can take only sell signals for this particular type of trade setup. Now, when the line's black, we can only take buy signals. So that's essentially how the Peru line works. So you'll notice that we don't have any buying opportunities here, so we won't be buying. We'll only be looking for sell signals. And as of right now, the only sell signal we have is going to be way down here, and our stop loss is going to be way up here. So this is a pretty wide trade, but we can put it in. I'm not confident that this is going to get hit anytime soon. We'll actually probably have another opportunity tomorrow to actually move our signal a little bit closer and put our entry signal right around this area, and our stop loss would actually still be up here around this area for right now. We could potentially put our stop loss here as well. So right now, our only trade rather in this particular market is down here. Now, we're already in 2 trades on this market, but we won't go into those right now. This would be an actual third position that we would put on in this particular market, a third sell position in the same direction. So if we want to do that, all we need to do is calculate where we want to put our entry price at. And our entry price is going to go somewhere down around, let's see here, 141. About 141.95 is where our entry price is going to go. So we'll go ahead and write that number down, 141.95. All right. And our stop loss price is going to go up here somewhere around 149.10. So we'll put our stop loss, or actually put it at 149.11. So once again, that's quite a big stop loss, and that wouldn't be the norm, but I just want to show you for the sake of how we would put in a trade here and how we essentially trade. in 5 to 10 minutes a night. Now, on this particular type of trade, we don't actually have an exit target as of the moment, so we'll leave the target out. But what we want to do is we would choose our trading volume here, and we're going to go ahead and put in a pending order, and this will be a sell stop because we're going to sell if price breaks a certain price, if the market breaks a certain price level. And our entry price was at 141.95, so we'll put that in. And then we have the stop loss price up here, obviously, at 149.11. So we put that in, and we're going to leave our take profit, and this would be considered a swing. This is basically a swing low sell. So we'll go ahead and put that in there. And this is the pound yen, as you can see. We're leaving the take profit open. We'd go ahead and place the order, and it should pop up on our screen. There's our stop loss. There's our entry point. Now, once again, we're going to have a closer opportunity tomorrow, but for right now, we can put in that as our entry point just in case price does break that level. For some crazy reason, price drops that far in one day, we'll be in the market. So that's essentially how we trade in 5 to 10 minutes a night. It took a little bit longer in this particular video because I was explaining the market to you, and I was explaining the chart to you and some of our techniques there. But essentially, it's that simple. You look at the chart. Once you learn the signals, which are very, very simple, we only have 5 entry signals. And so once you learn the signals, you're able to glance at the chart very quickly to see where that entry point is. There may be some days where you come to the chart and you actually don't have anything to do, and that's quite common. The system only makes about 4 to 6 trades per month, so that is quite common. So anyways, that's how we do it. 5 to 10 minutes a night. Stay tuned for some more videos where I'll show you some more trading techniques, some actual entry and exit strategies, and we'll show you how we do some potential day trading a little bit later on for those of you that do have more time and are able to day or swing trade, and I'll show you how we do some of that. So I look forward to the next video. Hope you enjoyed it, and look forward to seeing you trade 5 to 10 minutes a day and giving me some good results. We'll talk to you soon.